National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Itasca County in north-central Minnesota, northeastern Aitkin County in east-central Minnesota, southwestern St. Louis County in northeastern Minnesota, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pangilly to near Warble to 7 miles northwest of Swan River, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Swan River and Warble around 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Toivola, Meadowlands, Fond du Lac Van Brookston area, Brookston and Kenyon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Minnesota: East Central St. Louis, North Aitkin, South Itasca, Southeast St. Louis, Southwest St. Louis and West Central St. Louis.